Hello everyone, my name is Radian. I'm the founder and CEO of Radian Corporation and I'm from Dallas, Texas. So today we will talk about how to start your own clothing business with few money or maybe a little money. So because of COVID, we are struggling. We are really struggling, and we are trying to find ways to lead a life in cheaper ways. So if you go to this website www.radian.net, you will see that we have this stock lot. So what do you do that? Somebody is, since we have our own garment factory, so say a big company, they came to us, they want to produce or manufacture 100 shirts. So, and we produce actually 200 shirts. And then 100 is surplus, that's called a stock lot. So what we do, we sell this stock lot to this platform, and people are bidding it, and the highest bidder is getting that lot. And you will see it's very cheap. If you say the fresh water, we call it fresh water. Fresh water means that newly developed, newly manufactured. So fresh water, in order to make a new t-shirt with fresh water mode, you have to per unit is cost say around $5. Okay. Now since this is stock lot, it's cost only $2. Actually, it is cheaper. It's very cheaper way to start your own clothing business from this website, because this is a stock lot, this is a surplus. So actually there are many reasons why we get a stock lot product. Number one reason that because of COVID, there are many shipping services canceled, and then many buyers, they don't want they at the end of the game, they don't want that product. There are some defects. So when we're putting in product on our website, we close all those loopholes. There is no defect. All the products are properly QC, and we call it control. And so then we put it so that you can bid it, and the highest bidder they can buy the lot. So if you want to start your own clothing business, or if you are in the business, you are looking for something that is breaking your bank, now this is the great opportunity to come to this website and buy from us cheaper way. We will ship it to you. If you want to ship it through air, through cargo, we will do it for you. I have seen that in African countries like Nigeria, they are waiting at our gate, at our factory, to get this stock lot. Many Nigerians, they are sitting in our factory all the day, whether they are sitting or they hired somebody who is sitting at the factory to get that stock lot. So now we don't want that. So we created a platform that you come here and buy it from here and then sell it. So this is the cheapest way to start your own clothing business. This is the cheapest way that you can help your clients to give them lower something. And keep in mind that this stock lot, it doesn't mean that it has the lowest quality. It doesn't mean that it has a defect. It doesn't mean that there are something wrong. No, all these products are properly inspected, properly produced and manufactured, and properly controlled. Okay, so go to our website and bid and buy. Okay, if you have any question, please comment below or write to me. I will try to answer you. And we have the 24/7 customer service. You can call us, you can chat with us. So we are looking forward to working with you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.